Our beta tester Eric reported his ranking for acupuncture builder keyword. He got position number 2 on the page number of Google for very competitive keyword with more than 1 million results. Second keyword reported by Lane. He got ranking for how to do beauty marks from keyword, and he got position number 4 for this keyword. Next result is reported by Mike, and he got birthday party crafts keyword, and he told us that it was not really easy. As you see, the competition is crazy huge here, but he was able to get this result in 3 months for his client. Next result for keyword electric heating pad for neck and shoulders is number 8 on first page of Google. One more keyword and also position 9 on first page of Google. First position for best nail shape for fat fingers keyword. As you see, it is fresh article posted this year and it was not ranking, and using RankSnap this article got page number 1. One more keyword, also position number 1 for keyword with medium competition but very profitable keyword. Also we tried to get ranking for some international sites for this is event cleaning service for Toronto keyword, and we already are on the position number 4. Next keyword is pure for spinal stenosis, reported by Jenny. She got already page number 1. And the last result I like to show you is full from MPK freezer keyword, and this is also high competitor keyword, and we got page number 1, 8 position on page number 1. Okay, that's all I'd like to show you, and we actually got much more results and getting more and more feedback from our beta testers.